Hey, good day. This is Alex from Internet Real Secret. In this review videos, I would like to actually walk through with you of this. This is more like a cloud app to actually. You can actually use this to get a lot of referrals, traffic, like things like you ask people. Example, like we are going to share this link to people, and they're going to get certain. They can unlock certain price or certain. It could be an ebook free gift or it's a training course, right? You can actually make use of this to grow your list really fast, right? Okay, because you leverage of this the power of one person. The person will be actually getting certain incentive. If we actually share the link to X number of person, that's basically how it do it. So in front of me, this is EEZETRAFFIC, my debut page about this software. It's a cloud app, right? So they got 24 source traffic or free buyer traffic in second, and you can, it's an automated software, get you stream of free traffic with one click, and there's a step-by-step training provided also, right? Okay, so let me take you to this member area. So when you log into EEZETRAFFIC, right, you're going to see the dashboard here, right? Okay, right, and there is a lead and script page. This can actually build the script page builder here, traffic page, profit streamline. Okay, first thing first up, this already have a list of the affiliate. They handpick a list of the really high converting affiliate and also CPA. So what you need to do is just for each of it, just get the affiliate, apply for the affiliate link and get the affiliate approval. Example, I think this is a ClickBank. Like ClickBank, they don't you don't have to get any specific approval. As long as you have a ClickBank account, you're able to promote this, right? Okay, so there's a couple of CPA. I think this is a CPA offer here. You can see this is a word media CPA. So you need to come to this, join this word media, and also sign up as the CPA. So you can actually leverage of this platform to promote this program, right? So once all approved, what you need to do is just come to this profit stream. Okay, so you can see this create a new profit stream, right? So the steps one, just say for testing, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so just pick any of these. There are two category here. So either it's a affiliate marketing offer or make money offer, or this is a free offer. This is actually a CPA, right? Okay, right. So let's say you're going to pick one of the make money example. You may actually pick some multiply, for example, right? Okay, then you just need to also just click next. So when come to next, you need to create a price. So when people's how you want to monetize from this, okay, the price, someone is going to get the price if you share your affiliate link, your affiliate page to X number of people, something like that. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. So the price, this is affiliate link. You need to put in, and also the price link. So this is a price link. Price link mean to say where they can actually download the price, and you need to put a price image also, right? Example like I just take for example this one, just for the sake of example here. So maybe just for demo purpose, I put the Google's link here, right? Okay, so that's exactly. So just click next, right? So here is where you put your affiliate link here, and this is you can actually schedule when you want to pause, right? When you actually want to effect this profit stream. Normally you put the date here, right? And also just click OK, right? Oh, so there is a period to say you need to actually, for you to get this price, it's only during this period. Something like that. You want to set a time urgency to people so they can take action, something like that. So affiliate link is a way you actually, just how you apply the affiliate. So put the affiliate link here. Just for example, is this one. Okay, for test, right? This is a page, right? Okay, traffic page is a one you actually define here. You can define the traffic page here, right? Okay, so traffic page is something like you need to create a new traffic page, right? So click the traffic page and give you a name, right? example like I don't know, just for the sake of demo, just save change, right? So your traffic page is something. So I think this is a demo. Okay, you can have a look into this. Is a traffic page, right? Okay, so something like this is a traffic page, means it's a lead capture page. You can build a lead capture page upfront here, right? Build a lead capture page upfront, then you can actually come back and choose which lead capture page you want to use. So that is so default means to say you share all or refer all. It is two types. Share all is more like you are going to share the link to all, okay, the number you define later, and refer all means you want to refer someone to come and also join, opt in to refer all is more on someone who actually take action to opt in into the list, right? So you are going to capture the list. Share all, it could be just share the link to X number of person, and this X number of person may click on the link, they may also buy your affiliate products, things like that, right? So let's say you're going to share all, okay? So here is where you define the number of share campaign. Let's say you're going to share, so it requires a person to share 2 in Facebook, example, 2 in LinkedIn, and probably 1 in Pinterest, right? So that's what I mean. So just click submit. Okay, right, so all is done already. So your profit stream is set up ready, so what you can actually share this link, okay, to the social media here, okay, and also this result here. Let's click here, right? Okay, result basically is the state to see how many different account and status of referral the person have link, right? They say if you share this link out, right? Okay, if I share this link out, if someone go and pick up this link, for example, right? Okay, someone go and enter the name and join. Okay, so go to the next page, he's going to see, for him to get the price, he had to share this the link, the affiliate link for 5 people, for example, right? Okay, then only he's able to unlock, right? Something like that, right? So that is the idea behind this the profit stream, right? Okay, it's really pretty cool idea of actually have people to get you a lead or get people to opt in, right? Okay, so it's basically the idea behind, so you can lead this also. So coming from this other squish page, you can actually this is where you can actually see the lead here, the person who actually sign up into the squish page you say just now. They actually all the lead will come here. You can actually download the CSV file and upload to your autoresponder, right? So that's basically the idea here, right? Okay, so somewhere here there's a training module, autoresponder also. You can actually it directly integrated to the autoresponder with this squeeze page also, right? Okay, and we have this other things, traffic page. I think they go through squeeze page is there. Okay, affiliate, and there's a upgrade and training also being provided here, right? So pretty cool. This just go through the training before you start using this app, right? So that is my my sharing with you about this EEZETRAFFIC. It's very straightforward. Really, it's nothing complicated. But this could be a very powerful way of building your list, right? So coming to this review page here of this cloud-based app, also I will actually take you to the front end and the OTOs part of this. So the front end is $17. There's a couple of OTO that come together, and 39 also. Or offer 2, 4, 2, also 3, and so 197, right? Okay, front end only 17, and this is unlimited. You can have unlimited campaign and usage, right? And this you can schedule the traffic of the traffic system. The unlimited campaigns mean to say you don't just you can create unlimited campaigns, right? You don't have to front end. There's a limitation here, and also the done for you person set up by the team also. Done for you campaign, all our top software all set for you to sell as your own. So this run for you campaign then have all the top software because in the front end it's only a few. Traffic your Google and Facebook pixel on our top selling sales page, mean to say you can give your Google and Facebook pixel on the top selling sales page, while label full installation and customer planning on the software developer support. And also you have this 100% commissions and affiliate material reseller and traffic server patch, and also go my 1K club. This is more like a membership club, right? Okay, so personally I will suggest you to take the front end. I think it's around $19, the early bird price, and also OTO unlimited. You can have unlimited campaign and usage, right? Okay, so if you want, you may want to take the OTO 2 and 1 also together, right? Okay, so that's basically the idea here of this how we can actually levelize of one of these what we call this as this building we create a wallet share contact giveaway engaging survey or quiz on, so your customer can build massive list, right? Okay, so that's basically the idea behind. Pretty cool, right? So let's come to the bonuses of this EEZETRAFFIC bonuses, right? So below a custom made bonus for EEZETRAFFIC, right? Okay, I prepare. First one is I'm going to get my bonus on exclusive tip how to make money with this EEZETRAFFIC, right? Okay, right. Also bonus one is free list building, right? Okay. So in this video training, you're going to learn how to build your list, and at the end of the training, you are giving 100 free clicks. So a click by actually you can submit any affiliate link to this 100 click. Potentially you may make some sales, right, out of this 100 click, right? So and also we have this my on product 50k make money on the subscriber. You can load this subscriber into your auto response and start sending them the offer, and so they can make sale and profit out of that. And also I have the conversion tool to get you more lead and sale, whereby the conversion tools you can actually integrate into your email by buttons, image, timer. All this is actually to get you more conversion, increase boost your conversion of any person visiting your website or receiving your email, right? So this is a pretty cool tool, right? I think Smarty Builders is another tool to build your e-commerce site, track sales and manage payment also, right? And we have this 250k funnel, Kindle and dog funnel builder we learn for you template. This is pretty cool. Something like the click funnel, but click funnel you're going to pay $99, but for this you're going to get free, right? Okay, and also we have this affiliate training course how to make 10,000 per month, and also 160-day follow-up email CD to make you more money, right? So if you have the list and you don't want to think about how to draw your email, or you actually get stuck on how to actually come up with your email structure, this is an email CD you can actually just copy and into your auto response and start using it, right? Change the affiliate link or change a little bit of the description. Okay, I also have this 100 so-called I have this 100 400 fill in the blank headline, right? You can actually use this to increase your open rate of your email. So when your open rate of email increase, automatically your conversion is going to increase. VidSpark is a video creator for more traffic, lead and sales also, right? So you are going to get all this. Is a very, very powerful cloud app to create videos, okay, right? So you're getting a lot of value out of this my offer here. BotEngage creates for more traffic, lead and sale, and I have the OutReachr, another wallet traffic cloud app you'll be getting as part of this bonuses here, right? So so this is going to actually even to boost up your traffic, right? With this my bonuses of wallet traffic cloud app, right? Okay, right. Then I had the Step I Shop affiliate store builder also will come together, right? And as part of the bonuses here, right? Okay. So I think sorry, my internet is a bit slow. Let me actually reload this page again, right? So you can easily see this. Just give me 1 second. Okay, I reload this page. Okay, wait a second. Okay, now it's reload. You can see more clearly. Okay, you can see all these bonuses, the image here, right? So the list is so long that more than 200 bonus items going to get out of this. If you actually click the link below this video, and you get the access to EEZETRAFFIC, you're going to get all these bonuses with me. Okay, and also we have this 15 free traffic. Also, free traffic you don't know. Okay, and the top 6 pay underground traffic source you're going to get as part of these bonuses also, and even these two is really high quality bonuses, right? So I believe you will not get any of these kind of bonuses outside of my offer here, right? My offer is also you're going to subsequently we have this free training how to make money online without you even selling anything. So this is next bonuses here, right? Okay, right, we have the journal TikTok traffic app and also journals Instagram traffic, and also the 200 special very special bonus bundle, right? Okay, to come back to visit this page later. I think this was internet very slow today, right? Okay, so under this last bonus bundle, you can see 200 special bonus bundle you'll be seeing. All this you're going to get email, 3,000 email swap. Also, you're going to get email marketing video training courses, right? And over 100 premium software as part of these bonuses, and over opt-in and deep manual capture page template, and also on top of that, you're going to get active video training course on journal and Brandon, which I think is part of this bonus package. So everything is only just $17, but I strongly suggest you to take the front end, OTO and OTO2, because this is going to give you a complete suite of unlimited, unlock all the limitation which is set into the front end, right? So just click the link below this video. You're going to come to my review page on this, right? And also when you click any of this orange button, you're going to come to the EEZETRAFFIC. This is a sales page of EEZETRAFFIC, right? So this is pretty cool sales page, right? Okay, so there's some earning testimonial here also, and man, these people are the person behind this product also. And just click the link below this video and just have yourself make your commitment. This is only $17 for the front end, and just click on the buy button inside here, the for instant access. Then you're going to get all my bonus package together with the EEZETRAFFIC, right? And that's it for my walkthrough today. I hope you have understanding of what EEZETRAFFIC is going to do. Overall, this is a very cool method of getting traffic in a faster way, right? Instead of you send to me and I am the one become your subscriber, but you send the link to me and you actually offer me, if I share this link to X number of people, I will again get a price, something like that. So this is something very small way of growing the list, and one of the perfect is one of the best way. Okay, when you see wider traffic, this is a way how you do it. Okay, right, thank you, and do have a nice day. I will be safe, right? Okay, bye bye.